Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a Visa gift card on Shein. Let's get started. First, use either the Shein mobile app or visit www.shein.com in your browser, then log into your account. Then browse and select the items you want to buy. Tap Add to Bag for each item. Then tap the bag icon to view your cart. Click Checkout once you're ready. Then fill in your shipping address and contact details. When you reach the payment section, select credit or debit card. This option supports Visa gift card. Here, type in the card number, expiration date, and CVV. For the billing address, use the address registered with the gift card. Then, review your details and hit place order. If the balance on your gift card covers the purchase, your order will go through. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.